I'm Vin of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my 4th time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off.
Hash rate has me bullish. You see it going up, and you know that your share of the fixed supply daily issuance is getting smaller and smaller. You know, someone's drinking your milkshake, but it's still just so exciting to see. And, you know, I mentioned the brain drain. So I recently started with a new infrastructure company, Standard Power, and just seeing the infrastructure that is behind that hash rate. You know, it's easy enough just to look at the chart of it climbing to all-time record highs. But when you have an understanding of the transformers, the cables, the hash huts, the ASICs, the machines, like just all this industry that's going in, when you recognize what that line really represents is like this energy infrastructure that is being built out. It's incredible. And it just has me so excited. And, you know, I think where I really start to get bullish is, you know, recognizing all the strategic integration of ASICs mining, you know, and Ben, you already mentioned earlier, one of them being reusing the heat for space heating. But, you know, when it comes to the electric grid, there's just so much opportunity that I think electric utilities and Bitcoin miners are recognizing and taking advantage of. We also have this other side of the coin where we're seeing the opportunity for rural revitalization. It's the exact opposite of the FUD articles that you hear in the news or the mainstream media, the corporate media, right, as maybe it's better termed. Any particular rural situation where they've had some sort of industrial center that shut down and went away 5 years ago, 20 years ago, it doesn't matter. And you take advantage of the infrastructure and you bring it back to life. And it's incredible. So seeing that is like a version of what's behind this all-time high hash rates. And that's why I'm bullish.
I love that.